Rose, your favorite tech advisor girl, and I'm here to talk to you about becoming a UI UX designer. What is UI UX? UI UX simply has to do with identifying and solving those visual and interactive problems. Well, that's what you see on your screen and the experience you get when you interact with that screen. Now, why should you even consider being a UI UX designer? Let me tell you why. Opportunities in this field are so enormous that it's in high demand. It's needed in all parts of the world: Nigeria, US, UK, Canada, all. Just list it. This opportunity is in high demand and it pays really well. You could even be one of those earning six figures, you know. I bet you're salivating on that opportunity already. All right, now you see that cozy couch you like being on? You don't even have to move an inch because you can work from the comfort of your home. Yes, I said that, from the comfort of your home. Now, what are the best ways you can even learn how to be a UI UX designer? Let me tell you how, and the things you should look out for. Now, the first thing you should do is look out for an institution that guarantees you a practical, hands-on training. Not theory, please. Practical. Please kindly avoid all those sardine-packed classrooms. Go for an institution that gives you a mentor attached to you personally, who will tutor you as you learn and build your journey. And one more thing you should look out for is an institution that will make you build life projects while you learn, yes, so that this will boost your confidence in all you do in subsequent projects. Now, guess what? I know exactly where you can find all of these values. It's called Bizmaro Technologies. Bizmaro will give you the value for your money. Bizmaro has been in existence for over 10 years and has remained one of the most reliable and the best training institutes you can ever think of. Yes, they take all digital skills you want to learn, come to Bizmaro and learn it and have the value for your money. You can visit our website at www.bizmaro.com, or you can call the number displayed on your screen to reach out to our customer care representatives for more information. See you soon, and we want you to grow technologically. Stay digitally informed. Bye.